On today's video, we're going to show you how to do the perfect pulled pork you can ever do. Stay tuned. All right, so here you have it. This is an 8-pound bone-in pork butt. So we're going to go ahead and get right into this. So we have our mustard as a binder, and it will not give it a mustard taste, don't worry. Just get it all over here. We're gonna use our To BBQ rub. Now you wanna go really heavy because it's a big piece of meat. All right, and then they started to come out with this bigger bottle from this size to this size. So something you guys wanna check out. Let's go turn it around. Just a little bit more mustard. And just pat it in there. Now that looks like a well-seasoned pork butt. All right, so how we're gonna cook this, we're gonna put our Weber Smoque at 250 degrees. We're looking for, once it gets to 165 internal temp, we're gonna take it out and go for our next step. Now, I normally never do this. I'm gonna go ahead and try it this time. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz it every hour with apple juice. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Weber. All right, our Weber's up to temp, 250. Fat side down. We'll be back. All right, we finally reached 165 internal. Look how great that pork butt looks. Be back. All right, guys, here you have it. So it's been about 10 hours and it finally hit 165. So let's go ahead and put it back in here. And we can add some apple juice. Just like that. Add a little bit more of our rub. All right, so we're gonna raise our grill to 300 degrees. We don't need to smoke it no more. For now, we're just going as internal temp. We're going at 202 to 205. So now that our Weber is up to temp at 300 degrees, let's go ahead and put it back in there. Let's put it back in here. We'll be back. All right, our pulled pork hit 203 degrees. Let's take it out. All right, here you have it. And before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, so let's go ahead and take a little bit of this juice out. And we're gonna leave just a little bit in there and then add some more if we need to. Let's go ahead, and it smells great. It smells good. Let's take this bone out. Man, it just comes out. Look at that. Perfect. All right, guys, so the biggest thing that I've heard on the comments when we do pulled pork is that the inside has no flavor. There's no flavor, only the outside. So a lot of the meat inside has no flavor. So way to fix that. As you see, we left some juices in there, so it's nice and moist. So now we're gonna add some more rub all around. And then just mix it. So then you taste it. If it needs more flavor, just keep adding more. Also, we have a little more of this juices that we have. We're just gonna add a little bit back in there. A little bit more. All right, so here we have a piece. Let's go ahead and give it a try. That's some good flavor. Definitely need to add more to this. But for me, I think this is good. This is really good. Got much seasoning I already put in there. So remember, some of you guys, depending on how your grill is, it might take less time, it might take a little bit more time. It all depends. Just keep an eye on that internal temp and you should be fine. Make sure you hit that like, that subscribe. Put me down in the comments what you guys think about this cook. What would you do differently? But other than that, this came out amazing. I'll see you guys next time.